All right, Andrew, here, well, if I can hold this still, there we go. Maybe not. Here we have your two 43rd scale diecast models. These are luxury brand models, which actually are pretty cool models. I think a couple of the limos that I've done, presidential limos, were made by Luxury, so, or it's branded by Luxury. I don't guess they actually make them. I'm sure somebody makes them for them, but we have a 2009 Cadillac CTS, I believe, CTS-V in this one, and a 2009 Chevy Suburban. So got them both done up for you. You wanted internal batteries, which we've done. I managed to salvage the interior completely on the Suburban. The Cadillac, I did have to remove tinted or blacked out the rear windows, but I was able to leave the front seats and everything in and still fit the battery. So we worked out pretty good there. If I can get them open, the front door is still open on both of these models. I'll open this one up here too, so that they all still open. Switch on the Cadillac located right here. You just wanted headlights and taillights on these, so nothing too major. I use the hyper whites on both of these, and then of course the red taillights. Again, they look weird with the camera because it picks up just the tip of the head of the LED pretty much, but it does illuminate the entire lens a little better than it shows on camera. Again, hyper white headlights on this one. Park it over here. And then your Suburban, same setup. Again, I did have to cut a little bit of the rear seats, but even with not tinting the window, you can still see through the car and into the car, but the battery doesn't show much at all because the battery is located actually underneath here. I cut a little area out and they fit between the seats, so like I said, you can't really see it from the outside of the model. Switch on this one's located right here. Again, same setup on this one, just basic headlights and taillights. I did trim up your push bar on this and snug it up a little bit to the car, as you can tell. Fits a lot better. So that's, you asked me to do that for you too, so took care of that for you too. Hopefully the sound's not messing up on my camera. We're going to find out. So I haven't done a video since the last one and it sounded like crap. So anyway, I appreciate it. I got these ready for you. We get settled up. I'll get them shipped. Thank you very much.